Welcome to another PCS product demonstration video. Today we'd like to introduce you to our latest in the hot sprue line, the 3/4 hot sprue bushing. This sprue is designed to run commodity resins with a top temperature range of 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a single zone nozzle set up to run 240 volt with a J thermocouple. The tip is built with a sprue style design that will leave a small vestige on the top of the part or gating into a runner. With the heater integrated inside the nozzle, there is less chance of damaging the heater from plastic leaks, moisture, and oil. The main body of the heater is less than 3/4 of an inch, allowing into small bores. The nozzle can be ordered as a standard length or with extra stock tip. When completing your order, don't forget to add the LR075 locating ring and a single zone connector. To reduce heat loss in the head area, you can also purchase insulating washers. Thank you for watching another product video with PCS. For more information, reach out to our website at www.pcs-company.com.